Hello, you out there in video land. This is going over homework page 722. We've got some sectors. We've got some sectors here. We have a small one, the red one. The larger sector is going to be the blue one. Let's go and find the red one first. Okay, here we go. The area of our red sector. Remember, you got your formula sheet out there, so make sure you use it. Hey, it is the central angle divided by 360 times the area of the whole circle, because remember, the sector is a fraction of the whole circle. So here we go. Hey, central angle 60 degrees over 360, area of a circle pi r squared. The radius is 10, so pi 10 squared. I'm going to do it in two steps. First of all, let's divide. We've got 60 over 360. Let's see if we find that. There we go. Clear it out. Okay, we've got 60 divided by 360. There it is. Good. 0.1666. Good. Here we go. 0.1666. Now, the area of the circle, pi 10 squared. Okay, here we go. We've got a pi times 10 squared. That's going to be the area of the circle. 314, 16. Okay, 314, 16. Good. Okay, here we go. Area of the red sector. Okay, hey, multiply those. Here we go. We've got, take that number, multiply it by 0.1666. Okay, that's good. Boom. Hey, let's go with 5236. Okay, 5236. Any units? Yes. The units were in inches, so the area is going to be inches squared. Now, that's the red one. How are we going to get the blue one? Couple ways to do it. I'm going to do it the easy way. I'm going to take the whole circle. The area of the whole circle is 314, 16. We figured that out already. And let's take away the red one. The red one is 5236. We're going to get the blue one. Okay, 314, 16, take away 5236. Okay, 314.16 minus 5236. There it is, 261.8. 261.8 inches squared. That is the area of the blue sector. There we go. Red sector, blue sector. Okay, let's go to our next one. Same idea. We want to find the area of the red sector, area of the blue sector. Now, on this one, they give us this value over on the far right. What they're saying is that this angle right in here, they're saying that the central angle is 256. That's what they're telling us by that number. So we have the central angle of the blue sector. Let's go ahead and find the blue sector then. Here we go. Area of the blue sector. Once again, that formula on our formula sheet. Central angle over 360. Multiplied by area of the circle. Okay, central angle, 256. Divided by 360. Area of the circle, pi r squared. Here's the radius. So pi 14 squared. Okay, nice. 256 over 360. 256 divided by 360. Nice, huh? 0.7111. 0.7111. Great. Pi r squared. Pi 14 squared. Here we go. We've got a pi times 14 squared. Good. 615.75. 615.75. I think we're going to use that in a little bit. Okay, now let's multiply those. It's a fraction of the whole circle. That's what the sector is. Okay, here we go. Take that number, multiply it by 0.7111. Nice. 437.86. 437.86. Area of the blue sector. Now units, there we go. Our units were in centimeters, so area, centimeters squared. Nice, there we go. Now for the red one, okay. Hey, let's take the total. The total is right there, 615, the whole circle, 615.75. Let's take away the blue, minus 437.86. Okay, we're going to get the red one now. This is going to be area of our red sector. Okay, 615 minus 437. 615.75 minus 437.86. Numbers look good. Okay, good. 177. Here we go. 177.89. Again, units. Yep, it is area, so centimeters squared. There we go. Good. Let's go to our next one. Same idea. Okay, red sector, blue sector. They give us the same information. Here we go. Radius is 28. Central angle 137 for the red. This is for the red we're finding first. Area of a sector equals central angle 137 over 360 times the area of the circle, pi r squared, so pi 28 squared. This is the red sector now because we have the red central angle right there. Okay, here we go, 137 over 360. 137 divided by 360. Nice, huh? 0.3805. Okay, 0.3805. Now, area of the whole circle, pi times 28 squared. We've got a pi times 28 squared. Looking good, 2463. Let's call that right on the nose. 2463. Okay, nice. Let's multiply those now. 0.3805. There it is. Multiply that area of the whole circle by 0.3805. Here it is, 937. Okay, that's the red sector. 937.17. Area of the red sector. Units. Yeah, there we go. Length units were in meters, so our area units are meters squared. Now, let's go get the blue. Total was 2463.00. Let's minus the red one, 937.17. Gonna end up with the blue one now. That's how it works. Area of the blue sector equals, okay, 2463 minus 937. There it is, 2463 minus 937.17. Nice, let's go 1525. Okay, 1525 and a little extra units. Yep, it's meters squared. There it is. Again, remember, only the meters are squared. The number is not squared. Okay, keep on going. How about here, 14? Find the area of the circle. Well, look at what they give us over here on the right. They give us the area of the blue sector. So let's use our formula for area of a blue sector. Here it is. Area of a sector equals central angle over 360 times area of the whole circle. Well, let's plug in what we have. We know that the area of the sector is 3851 equals central angle 165 over 360 times area of the circle. Look at the one thing we don't know. The one thing we don't know is right here. Let's solve for that. Here we go. First of all, let's get this as a decimal. 165 over 360. 165 divided by 360. There it is, 0.4583. 0.4583 times area of the circle. It's algebra now. What do we do? Yep, let's divide. Divide by 0.4583 here. divide by 0.4583 here. Here it is. We're going to end up with our area of the circle, 3851 over 0.4583. Okay, there it is, 3851 divided by 0.4583. Looking good. Hey, 8402, 8403, 8403. How about some units? The units here for the area of the sector was meters squared, so is this. Let's move this over a little bit. There we go. Meters squared. Boom, we're done with that one. Okay. How about this? Area, we want to find the radius. We want to find the radius. Now, look at what they give us. Once again, they give us the area of the sector. Let's use the formula for area of a sector. Here it is. Area of a sector equals central angle over 360 times area of a circle. Now, plug in everything you know. Area of the sector, 1236. Central angle, 89. Over 360. Area of the circle. Let's solve for area of a circle, just like we did on the last problem. Okay, here we go. Let's go. 1236 equals 89 over 360. Here we go. 89 over 360. Looking good. That's going to be 2472. Okay. 0.2472 area of a circle. Okay, what do we do next? Divide 0.2472 here. Divide by 0.2472 here. Gone. Now, look at what we're finding. Right now, we're going to get the area of the whole circle. Okay, let's go do that. 1236 over that number. Okay, 1236 divided by 0.2472. Nice, there it is, 50, an even 50. Okay, now 50 is the area of the circle, but that's not what they asked us. They asked us to find the radius. Well, we got the area of the circle. Let's use the formula. Area of a whole circle is pi r squared. Plug everything you know in. 50 is the area of the circle, pi r squared. What are you going to do next to get the r by itself? That's right. Divide both sides by pi. Divide by pi here, divide by pi here. Get a number, 50 over pi. Let's see what that is. 50 divided by a pi, there it is. Good, 1591. 1591 equals r squared. What do we do now? We don't want r squared, we just want r. So the last step, we square root. Here it is, our radius, the square root of 1591. The square root of 1591. There it is. Let's say 399. If you go 4, that's okay. I'm going to go 399. Okay. 399, my units. Now this is just a distance, so it's just meters. There it is. If you came up with 4, that's fine. Hey, that's the end of part 1 going over 722. Come on back for part